Yang Berhormat Senator Datuk Seri Utama Tengku Safro bin Tengku Abdul Aziz, Minister of MITI, Dr. Haril, Secretary General of MITI, Datuk Hanafi, Datuk Masura, Datuk Baria, Deputy Secretary of MITI, Tan Sri Abdul Rahman, a very close friend and helped us a lot, advising a lot, Chairman of MIDF, Encik Azizi, CEO of MIDF, Datuk Wan Kamaruzaman, Chairman of MBSB Group, Encik Rafi, Group CEO of MBSB. Industry leaders, representatives of MITI and government agencies, distinguished guests, and, of course, winners of the MSMA 2025. Good evening to every one of you. Today, MSMA 2025 is the largest gathering of smart manufacturing stakeholders in Malaysia. A symbol of progress, a symbol of collaboration, a symbol of belief in Malaysia's future. It has been almost 7 years since Malaysia introduced the National Industry 4.0 agenda. Along the way, we have learned, we discovered, and we corrected ourselves towards what are the activities should we do, how to improve and engage the industries. We were not wrong in our direction, but sometimes we were only wrong in our assumptions. We were wrong to assume that the past program Industry Forward failed, because many of the companies receiving awards today begin their journey from the Industry 4.0 program. They started small, but they have started. We were wrong to assume only SMEs need incentives and support. Mid-tier companies are now proving that digital transformation creates massive economic impact. They need help too. We were wrong to assume Malaysia lacks technology enablers. Today, we have strong local champions. Smart4wrd Advanced Manufacturing Drivers, MDEC Smart MFG Plus TSP, and our Technology Excellence Award winners. We have all the world-class local capabilities available in Malaysia. We were wrong to assume manufacturers only automate and collect data. Today's winners have proven the next step. They are connected, intelligent, and going global. We were wrong to assume public and private cannot synergize. But look around this hall today. MIDF, Martrade, CIRIM, MPC, MDEC, state agencies, trade associations like FMM, MCMTC, and every one of you are here. This is public-private partnership in action. Give a hand to yourself. Smart manufacturing is a journey. We learn, we improve, and we move forward. And today, we are right about one thing. Malaysia is on the right track. We thank YB Tengku Safro for being one of the key drivers for such direction. Bizsphere and Smart4wrd will continue to be the driving force, aggregating stakeholders, optimizing resources, and synergizing expertise towards the NIMP 2030 goal of 3,000 smart factories. MSMA will continue to honor pioneers, inspire the next generation, and set a higher bar for excellence. Moving forward, let's do one thing. Collaborate with intent, not by chance. Today is a special day. I can't end my speech without mentioning a bit more about YB again. YB Tengku Safro, I'm not so sure whether you know this or not, but many people say that we look alike. Everyone agree? I have been mistaken for you at MITI, at Martrade, and even at public places. Someone approached me and says, "Are you Tengku Safro?" But no worry, YB. I will behave properly in the public so no one will mistaken me for you, okay? No worry about that. On a serious note, many of us admire your passion and your drive for Malaysia. Your leadership has inspired many of us in this room. Thank you, YB. Your commitment and contribution to the nation is much appreciated. Thank you very much.